Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Playtech TV. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to be covering how to get a better wireless connection in your home or workplace. And for this, we're going to be looking at 3 of the main options you have. Before that, let me first say, please subscribe to Playtech TV if you haven't already. That way you get the videos as soon as they come out. And 2, like this video if you want to see more videos like this in the future. So let's get into it. The first option we're going to cover is upgrading to a wireless AC router. Now, I've already done a video explaining the differences between wireless AC and wireless N, so if you want to go back and watch that video, then just click this router. Click it. Okay. But the range benefits of wireless AC cannot be ignored, so we're going to go over it again in this video. So the 802.11ac standard is entirely in the 5 GHz spectrum. That's compared to the 2.4 GHz that is more standard on 802.11n. Now the 5 GHz spectrum tends to be more quiet, meaning much less interference from your neighbor's Wi-Fi. Surprisingly though, 5 GHz signals do not actually broadcast as far as 2.4 GHz signals, but they do have better penetration. And 5 GHz is necessary to support the much faster speeds of wireless AC. Now the second big factor with wireless AC is beamforming, which is a key factor. Rather than throwing out wireless signals equally in all directions like wireless N, beamforming detects where devices are and intensifies the signals in that direction or directions. The result is astonishing. It means that you can still get great signal strength while being quite far away from the wireless AC router. And this is a big advantage of wireless AC. The second option you have is a Wi-Fi range extender or repeater. So a Wi-Fi repeater effectively contains 2 wireless routers, similar to the wireless router you already have in your home or office. One of these wireless routers picks up the existing Wi-Fi network and then transfers the signal to the other wireless router, which transmits the boosted signal. It's super easy to install. Just plug it in to a power supply in the area that you want to be boosted, but isn't out of range of your existing wireless router. Then you can either just push the N button on your router and the N button on the extender, and they will connect to each other securely via WPS. Or you can simply just connect to the repeater and input your SSID and password of your current wireless network so it can connect to it, and you're all done, and you can enjoy your boosted Wi-Fi signal. The third option you have is using a Powerline Extender. So a Powerline network is essentially a wired network with mostly hidden wires, since it goes through the existing power lines in your house. Let's say that you have a wireless router in your lounge and you'd like to connect it up to your computer, which is in your bedroom. You try to connect to the router, but the connection is weak. So you figure you'll just run an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to the router. But then you have the hassle of having to run that cable through half your house. A Powerline solution is a less visible, a no new wires approach essentially. In a kit like this one from TP-Link, which comes with 2 Powerline adapters and 2 short Ethernet cables. You connect one of the Ethernet cables to your existing wireless router and the other to one of the adapters, the smaller one in this case. You then plug that adapter into the nearest power socket, directly into the wall, not on a multi-tap. You then plug the second Ethernet cable into the back of your computer and the second adapter, the bigger one in this case, into a wall socket. The adapters will auto-detect each other and auto-connect, and the setup is done. It will transfer the signal through the power lines directly to your computer. It's that easy. Now to testing to see what's better, the Powerline Extender or the Wi-Fi range extender. Now I have fiber at my house and I went as far away from my wireless router as possible with my laptop right in the corner of my lounge. There I was only getting 2 bars of signal strength. Now for my testing, I connected up to a speed test and made sure to do all the tests on the same server every time, and I was getting the same ping every time between 10 and 14. Now without any of the extenders, I was getting between 5.7 and 7.1 megabits per second. Now with the Wi-Fi range extender, I was getting a download speed of between 18.2 and 24.1 megabits per second. And with the Powerline extender, I was getting a download speed of between 62.4 and 65.7 megabits per second, showing that the Powerline extender is the big winner here. In conclusion, you can see for yourself the benefits of upgrading to one of these options. So if your connection is weak or sluggish, then come down here to Playtech and we can help you decide on which option will best suit you or your business. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to Playtech TV and I'll see you guys next time.